The Foxgard Fingerprint Door Lock impresses with its 5-in-1 biometric unlocking methods, combining fingerprint, keypad code, app, IC card, and a mechanical key for versatile access options. Its app control feature allows users to generate one-time or timed passcodes, making it ideal for guests or Airbnb tenants, while also providing access logs for security monitoring. With its auto lock and anti-peep code functions, users can enjoy enhanced privacy and security, as random digits can be entered around the passcode to protect against prying eyes. The lock's electronic deadlock feature ensures additional privacy, as it can prevent entry even with valid credentials, making it suitable for bedrooms, offices, or rental properties. Installation is straightforward and requires only a screwdriver, ensuring that most standard doors can accommodate this lock without the need for drilling or wiring. Powered by 4 alkaline batteries, this lock promises long-lasting performance with low battery alerts, offering reliability for both home and office use.